Using radionics with sigils is an interesting topic. Sigils is a very effective and fast way to do any kind of manifesting of desires. It's especially effective when you use a psychotronic instrument such as any radionic machine. A sigil is nothing more than a stylized affirmation written on a piece of paper of a desire that you want. Basically what you do is you take a sentence of a desire, it could be anything, such as I am wealthy, or I have a very happy love life, or anything like that, any kind of desire that you could think of. What you do is you write it on a piece of paper, and then you take the letters and you stylize the letters so it comes out in a pictorial form. I have a couple here that I made. I don't think the camera's picking it up, but there you go. You could kind of see, you really can't see what the sentence is or what the letters are because it's drawn in a pictorial fashion where you really can't make sense of what it is. And that's a good thing, because what we are trying to do is keep the conscious mind out of the equation. Okay? Because what happens is the left brain will interfere with the process. You want to make this a right brain endeavor, because the right brain is the parallel processor of the mind, and it has a connection to the quantum potential. The quantum physicist says that the universe is a vast sea of unlimited energy, what I call unlimited quantum potential, that our consciousness could tap into. And by using sigils, we are able to do this. Now, when you draw a sigil, you are leaving your vibrational signature. Okay, part of your vibrational signature is on the paper. And then you simply want to fire up this sigil so that it is received by the universal intelligence, zero-point energy field, some people call God. There's a lot of names for that. Now, how do you fire up a sigil on a psychotronic instrument? Very easy. I use a very simple device, very simple but effective. It's a small unit. It's called the etheric star pulsar. As you see, the panel is this descending plate has a sacred geometry engraved. It's a 12-pointed star. Very effective for placing a sigil on top. Now the symbol creates a tension upon the etheric, so it has a nice energizing effect. And then inside the unit is a orgone E block, or an orgone energy block, that contains a scalar wave coil. Now, a scalar wave is an informational carrier wave that operates in the fourth dimension. It's very effective for this type of operation. On the back is your switch. You turn on your switch. You see the red LED indicator light pulsating at the 7.83 frequency. Okay? You simply take your sigil, you place it on top of the panel, and in effect you are firing up your sigil to the subtle energy plane. Okay? And then you simply walk away. It's as simple as that. It's very easy, very effective. Why is it effective? Well, when any kind of manifesting that you do, there's always the duality aspect. Can't get away from it. Just like there's day there's night. And when you bypass duality, okay, you basically are bypassing the flip side of what you don't want. That's the problem of a lot of, not a problem, but it's a little bit of a challenge. When you do any kind of manifesting, there's always going to be duality, but there's ways to get around it. One of the biggest hurdles is getting your left brain out of the equation. You want to keep it a right brain process, because your right brain is the holographic part of your mind, and any kind of manifesting endeavor, you're going to have better success. So again, sigil goes on the top plate of your machine. You turn it on. You let it run for, I let it run for no more than 30 minutes. Shut the machine off, and then you simply forget about it. Very important. You want to forget about the operation. You don't want to dwell on it, because again, you're going to bring in the duality aspect. Okay. These sigils that I made, these are pretty old. I don't even remember what the desire was on these sigils that I made. And that's a good thing, because I don't even have a clue. I just put it on the machine. I have a whole bunch of them. I put them on the machine. I fire it up and I walk away. Because I know that the quantum potential is so powerful and so vast that it has a good chance of bringing in the desire that you are looking for. Is it foolproof? Nothing is foolproof, but it's another technique in your arsenal that you could use, and I found it very effective. So that's it. That's using sigils with radionics, psychotronic machines. And of course, there's many other machines you could use. I have another machine which is even more powerful, the famous Trendmaster machine. This is a real beast because it has two energy delivery systems. It has an electronic amplifier module inside of it with a transmitting antenna, and it also has the orgon E block. Same thing, you put your sigil on top, you turn on the two energy delivery systems. One turns on your amplifier, two turns on your orgon E block, and that's a pretty powerful combination. So if you're looking for more power, you just step up. On the back, in and out jacks, you could plug it into other machines and turn up the power even more if you want. Like I said, I get good results even using the smaller devices, but experimentation is a key, and everybody has their favorite ways of doing it and their favorite machines. But the Trendmaster is extremely effective for using sigils. So that's it. That's sigils for manifesting using radionic instrumentation. And I thank you for watching.